So hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open Treasure NFT account. So for that you can either open it with your phone. You can easily install the Treasure NFT app in your phone, or you can do it in browser. So choose any browser you use. So I'm going to use Chrome and search Treasure NFT. TREASURENFT. Treasure NFT. Then I'm gonna click the first link. Here you can see that the home page of the Treasure NFT. So what we're going to do is we're gonna click this three dot and account. So for that we don't have an account right now. We're gonna create an account. So sign up. We have to click in sign up. Okay, first then you have to put your name. I'm gonna put mine. Clicking. Then put your password. Re-enter your same password, the password you entered before. Then enter your mobile number. And and you have to enter a valid email address. So I'm gonna put my email address, then get a verification code. Here you will get the verification code in your Gmail. Now just copy the verification code to the email verification code box, and you have to enter a referral code. I will provide you with the referral code. So the referral code is all in capital letter U9F925T7. That's it. Now click sign up. And here I am not a robot. If you are using a browser, then you have to click this. Now I'm quickly verify that I am not a robot. Okay, the username has been used, so I need to change this. Successfully, now I have created the account. That's it. Now you have to log in. That's it. So in here you can see that I have got a $150 trial fund. To earn money, comment below and I will make a video how to do work in this platform and earn money. So thank you everyone. See you in my next video.